Hey everyone, I came up with an amazing video for cyber warriors. I hope you will be familiar with TryHackMe. So, actually, TryHackMe has introduced their new learning path. This path is different from what you must have seen on the TryHackMe. Okay, so how this is different? So basically, it is called cybersecurity 101 path, and in this path, actually, this is 14 days journey for any cyber, basically for beginners, you can say. So if you want to get familiar with your basics, so you will learn lots of basic in this. And what happens that if you complete a single room, any single room, you are going to get tickets, and if you get particular number of tickets, then you can redeem with the cool swags. So let's dive into this room and let's see what are the different kinds of knowledge you are going to get, and what kind of tickets you will get, what kind of price is there for you. So let me introduce you with the different rooms and the price. Okay, so let's move forward. So this is the room now. What are the things we can find here? So new cybersecurity one on path. Win over $4,800. What's the price is? Yeah, so here it is. So let's move to this room. I will build it here only, right? Yeah. Let me first take you to the what are the prices you are going to get. Okay, so here it is. Yeah. So see, you have 6 days remaining. So actually, it was just actually total 14 days was given. So some days has been gone already. So you have 6 days, 12 hours and 30 minutes left. So it's more than enough. You can do everything every room within these days only. So level of your skill with our rooms and on tickets. Huh. So what happens that if you get 3 matching tickets, okay, then you can claim the prizes. What are the prizes you are going to get? Yeah. So you are going to get strict freeze, 1 day strict freeze is there, 7 day strict freeze is there. There is a title like Cyber Crusaders and even DEFCON tickets. Everyone know about DEFCON. Yeah. 12-month premium vouchers, laptops, t-shirts, cap is there, gift card is there. So yeah. So there are the available prices, how many prices are available and all that is there. And most amazing thing is about this series grand prize. So this price included a DEFCON ticket is there, and this is going to be in 2025. No, so you'll get a ticket. Even they are covering your flights, accommodation, and all the important DEFCON tickets, whatever that's required in the event. So yeah. This isn't a price. This is a golden ticket design, and all that is there. You can get over this. Go and dive into this. Understand what you're going to get. Yeah, even there is a way to earn more tickets. Like, oh, wait a minute. Sorry for disturbance. So actually, my health is not that much good. So yeah, so you can connect with your different platform is there, and there are other methods like, or you can make a video like what I'm doing. So aware people about this, share the video. They're going to consider it. Even follow their different social media to get extra tickets because they will post different questions, and if you solve that as per your question, they will give you different tickets also. So what we're going to see in the rooms, let's see. Let me show you what the type of rooms we are having. So this is the starting of cybersecurity journey. So in this, we have seen this. Now offensive security intro. Those who want to get familiarity with what is red teaming is all about here. This is all about blue teaming. So yeah, this is all about the introduction. Like so, PFI are you going to learn about them? So it will give you a basic flavor about every field in cybersecurity. Even you are going to learn about the Linux, about fundamentals of Windows is there. Even you will get familiarity with Active Directory, very important concept in Windows. Even command cell, so and different type of command cell is there, and what are the way of working with that. Even Windows, how you interact with CMD, you must be in a terminal that we call PowerShell and the Linux cell. So these are the different cell we will see. So yeah, here we can see how to interact with WhatsApp. Actually, it see you don't have to be that much knowledgeable in that because they have actually taught you here like what are the different things you are going to do in this lab. They have given an introduction also here. First, go through this descriptions, this short course, and actually after learning all this, you have to just give the answer based on that also. Okay, actually, this is the simple way you can do. Just open the lab, open the room. I open the room. I just here came here. I on this introduction. I read all this. Okay, like this, and see. In this case, you just have to do nothing. Okay, so just mark this correct answer. And now we come to the different task. So brief history of the PowerShell. Like every room has a different way of describing the nature. So you just go understand that, and based on that, you just see what do we call the advanced approach using develop project. So this is how you're going to. So you just read this, and you're going to find the answer in them. And it would be best way to understand the basic in the field cybersecurity, what is needed, because basics will be strong to deep dive into the, and also deep dive into the word cybersecurity. Right? People say, and that I want to be ethical hacker. So before that, you need to understand the uh, take a stack in that. Huh? So it will teach you how to start a machine, how to combine it with your with your Kali Linux machine, or if you're depending upon the type of user you are. So even one thing I forgot to mention. Let me come back. Where it is that ticket person here. Here, see, actually, see, free users. If you're a free user, if you can subscribe this, try me now. So for each room you are going to use, you get one ticket. Okay, but if you subscribe this, if you take premium of this, so for each room you solve, you are going to get 2 tickets. Okay, so actually, what I will do, I will include the link to the room. Okay, and even how can you subscribe this? You take premium, so you just see the description there. It is. I will, and I'll put down the link. So go through that link, and yeah, even they have the lowest price. They keep lowest price for this time, so it is nice for you all. At least have a taste of the cyber basics. Yeah, this is I'm going to say. Even if you feel like you need help in anything, so just message me, ping me in the comment section. I will try to help you on that. So that's fine.